Khardungla is said to be the highest motorable route in the world. Though this fact is not true now. Umlingla is the highest and it's also situated in Ladakh. Now our plan includes crossing Khardungla and we were a little bit tensed as we had to cross a pass whose altitude is 7,580 feet. We wrapped camphor in our handkerchiefs, stuffed some dark chocolates and popcorns. We also had Coca-30 from 2 days prior. You can also buy an oxygen cylinder from Leh. We started at 8:30 in the morning. The day was bright. The mountains were prominently standing in the front of the blue background. It was a picture-perfect Ladakh. But the roads were not so perfect. It was a bit rough and dusty. And after a while, we faced a landslide. Small rocks were rolling down from the hill above. The bro was walking hard to clear the narrow roads. If you ever wondered what these bro guys do, come to Ladakh and you will immediately get your answer. They are actually the lifelines of these remote areas even in the harsh winters. We reached Khardungla and with a hesitant mind, we stepped out of the car. No, it was not suffocating. It was windy and a bit cold. Everyone was busy taking their selfies. We climbed to the top, the prayer flags fluttering in the wind. For an urban person like me, it really feels like the top of the world. We stayed there for a while, played with snow, and then climbed back. Khardungla didn't seem tough to us. After an hour, we started for Nubra. Nubra Valley, a prominent location on the ancient Silk Route and the only cold desert of India. The Shok and Siachen rivers meet here. This valley separates Ladakh from Karakoram ranges and the mighty Siachen glacier. Nubra Valley is home of double-humped Bactrian camels, who were brought to the region from Central Asia. Our destination was Handar. Handar is bordered by snow-clad mountains that present a picture-perfect backdrop to the arid but mesmerizing landscape. We reached Handar at 2:30 p.m. We were a bit tired. We had our lunch and went to the lawn. At around 4:30 p.m., we set off for the camel ride. It was really a spectacular sight. The white sand desert was surrounded by brown and grey mountains. Though the place was overcrowded, we found some vacant place to shoot the fantastically decorated landscapes. We stayed there till sunset and got some extensive picturesque landscapes. Nubra is a place where you can find radiant vistas, vibrant colors, a vast sandy area with a stream flowing in it, a desert with a confluence of two rivers, and cloud shadowing grey mountains.